What's up everybody? Have another video for you guys today. This one's going to be a little bit different. In this video we're going to be going over our FX1200 and a few step-by-step installation instructions. So a couple things you'll notice when you receive your FX1200 are going to be these lock tabs. Now we send them out with them installed, which keeps the disc from binding up, so you're able to kind of move the disc around, which makes it easier for install. So keep these in there until the last step of the installation. So once you get your alignment tool in there, go ahead and slide on your next disc and just kind of go over everything, make sure it's centered, make sure it's not going to hit on any of these posts. And once you got that down, go ahead and install it on your flywheel. So once you get your pressure plate on, go ahead and start putting your pressure plate bolts. And at first, only do them hand tight. You don't want to torque anything down yet until you make sure everything's perfectly centered. Just kind of go over it really quick. Don't torque anything down, just to kind of get yourself centered. Everything should be centered. You can go ahead and pop off those clips. And make sure you torque these down to about 100 foot-pounds. Pull the alignment tool out and slap the transmission on.